demolition, so they're obviously knocking the building down, which is a shame really to see. Or they could have made it into something else, I suppose. Well, welcome to the channel today everyone. We're in Weymouth town centre and just having a look around the town, see how busy it is in the town at Easter 2025. And see what you to expect when you come down here. Yep, not too bad. I suppose most people are on the beach now anyway, so they won't be in the town centre. They'll be on the beach enjoying. Their ice creams. Yeah, so looks really busy further down, but up here not so much. Not so much busy here. Yeah, you got the fantastic sausage over there. We always come this way and have a look at fantastic sausage. Yeah. Supposed to be really nice sausages from there actually. If you ever want to come down and try, go to the fantastic sausage. And they've got all sorts of stuff in there. It's all the same old shops really. Plenty of hairdressers, barbers. Plenty of mobile phone shops, absolutely loads of them. Never seen so many actually in one town. And lots of Turkish barbers. Lots of Turkish barbers. They're supposed to be fantastic haircuts actually. Really nice haircuts. Woman singing there. Not bad voice. Oh, I better move away from it quick because you get the slightest copyright thing and you'll be done for, especially by YouTube, because they have to stick to their policies. I'll have a look up here, see if there's anything happening round by the range. Don't see much happening really, apart from an ice cream van. Any more singers? Can't have more music down here, so it might be safe. Anyway, if you're liking the video so far, please smash that subscribe button, please, and give us a like to get this video pushed out even further so people can see it. Much appreciated, everyone. And yeah, you got the ice cream van over here for the kids. Yeah, I'll just have a walk around. You got the White Hart pub up here as well. That's not a bad beer in there. And obviously you got the Black Dog, which is further on down there. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Yeah, nice ice cream man, quite big one actually, Mr. Whitley. Yeah, you can have just the same sort of shops around here. You've got Superdrug and Peacocks and Iceland, the range, Costa, Iceland. Yep, all of that. Have a look around here. Yeah, you can see Cineworld now is no more, I'm afraid. No more, because started work inside there now. See all the fronts off. I can't really see what's happening. Let's see gap in the fence or something. But you can see took all the frontage off now. I'm not actually sure what it's going to be. Oh, it's demolition in progress at the moment. Demolition, so they're obviously knocking the building down, which is a shame really to see. Or they could have made it into something else, I suppose. But no, they're definitely demolition in progress of the Weymouth Cineworld. And I don't think you can see anything in there. You can see someone around the other side. Yeah, Weymouth Cineworld, demolition in progress. So they are knocking the building down. You can't really see nothing in there, to be honest. Oh well. As you can see there. You see anything in there? You've got some cameras in there, but you can't see much what's going on. Yeah, so they're knocking the building down, Cineworld, so that's no more. So that's no more. There you are, knocking the building down, demolition in progress of the Weymouth Cineworld. So, I was shocked about that actually. I thought somebody would have taken it over, to be honest. But no, that's the situation with Weymouth Cineworld. It's been demolished, and I'm really surprised about that. Yeah, they're just clearing everything out, I suppose. Shame, really, shame. But it's come to that. Well, they couldn't afford to just keep it there. Anyway, you got the White Hart there. The White Hart, which is there. And very shocked, very shocked. So, we'll carry on walking down and go towards the seafront and then have a look at what's happening down there. Oh, there's some more music. We're going to have to walk a little bit faster just to get past this music. Nice, that's they can do that, singing. Yep, there it is. Singing voice. A lovely singing voice. Not bad actually for an older man. Very good. We've got a tattoo shop here. Anybody who wants a tattoo? Yeah, quite surprised about the Cineworld actually. Yeah, being demolished, and don't know what's going to go in its place. Whether they're going to build anything else there, or probably flats as usual. Whether they build anything else, any bit of land they see, they build a flat or a house there, which is quite boring to me. I know people need them, but that's the way it is now these days. Oh, there's a bit of land. Let's build some flats. There's a bit of land, let's build a house. Right, so it's back over to the seafront, so let's have a look on the seafront for you. And it's over the Easter bank holiday, and Easter's quite late this year. If you like this video today, please smash that subscribe button for us, and give us a thumbs up so we can get this video pushed out to more people who want to come down to Weymouth over the Easter and the summer. And much appreciated everyone, and thanks for watching. Support the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Have a great day, and bye for now, and happy Easter.